Hello everyone, today I have a review of another folding knife from the Czech company, Mikov. This time it's a flipper, model ELIPT. Total length is 21.5 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.2 millimeters. The steel of the blade is D2, it is a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered to approx 63 HRC, so quite high, flat grind, stone wash finish. On the blade the company name Mikov and 1794. On the other the model's name ELIPT. Liner lock. The flipper itself is the right size, so there's no problem with opening. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of blue aluminum, which the manufacturer describes as a blue elox. It looks really nice, very original. The profiled handle ensures a comfortable grip. Stainless steel pocket clip with the Mikov logo. It can be switched to the other side of the handle. In summary, an interesting flipper from a Czech manufacturer, with a great, slightly aggressive design. I like it. This blue color adds a unique touch. Quite an interesting blade. The tip is a needle, perfect for precision work. It looks very nicely. I haven't noticed any difficulties with opening. For now it's the only one Mikov flipper, but maybe there will be more of this type in their offer in the future. As you can see, Mikov isn't just about traditional knives, pocket knives or switch blades. I feel the solidity. Perfect for situations when you need to quick open a knife with one hand. I definitely recommend this knife. That's all this review, thanks for watching.